Hey, good afternoon everyone. This is Tyler Hill at MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida. We're the local Cruisers Yachts dealer here, and you're looking at a new 2024 Cruisers Yachts 38 GLS Outboard. This is in the South Beach edition with the beautiful fusion gray exterior. Absolutely striking vessel. This is the first one we have received in with the new Mercury V10 400 outboards. Used to get it with 300 V8s. Now we got the big V10 big boys, so we'll push this along really nicely. Underwater lights on the boat. Again, this is the South Beach edition with the fusion gray hull. Absolutely gorgeous. You can see the beautiful custom sea deck we order all these with. This is the Ochre interior, which is part of the South Beach package. Up top we have Simrad radar. We have an electric shear shade. This boat does have the fold down side wing on the starboard side. Also lots of great room to walk around here, even with the outboards down. You have this nice flip up walkway piece here that gives you a lot of access around the boat when you're anchored out. Gorgeous high gloss tables. This has the electric grill and cockpit refrigerator option. This boat also has a Sea Keeper in it, so it is stabilized. Storage underneath all the seats, lots of wet bar space. Cruisers Yachts kind of signature bar stools here. Gorgeous helm seat, double helm seat with thigh-rise flip-up bolster. Full joystick piloting, DTS controls. Just an absolutely gorgeous helm. You also have the optional opening sunroof in here, which is a manual pull, which in our market's nice at nighttime so you can see the stars. Upgraded stereo system with subwoofers and amplifiers. Easy walk through, all one level here to the bow. Have another nice high gloss table here. Controls for your windlass system here, foot pedals. You also have inserts for the bow sunshade system, which goes up nice and easy when you're ready to use it. Awesome seating up here. Probably fit 4 or 5 people comfortably up here alone. Looking back into the cockpit here, we're going to take a nice look at the cabin, which this boat just came in, so things aren't put together quite yet, but you have a nice table here in the V berth, which also converts to a bed. Nice television, which you can pull out and put in the cockpit if you want to have TV outside. Another nice refrigerator down here and microwave. You have a full double bed back here with its own television. So the boat will sleep 4 people. And you have a gorgeous stand-up. It is a wet head. There's not enough room to have a stall shower on a 38-footer, but you can take a nice shower in here with vessel sink, plenty of natural light. Your MVP panel with all your controls is behind this cushion here, so that lifts up so you can access all the equipment switches for the boat. And another little circle here turned. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida, your local Cruisers Yachts dealer here in South Florida. This is the new 38 GLS Outboard South Beach Edition 2024 with the triple V10 400s on it. Here's a nice view of our marina here. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching.